Welcome everyone, and thank you for watching. If you love seafood, you're gonna love today's recipe. We're making this French bread crab. Yes, you heard it right, it's French bread crab. Now it's very meaty and tasty, but the best part is the creamy, delicious innards in the huge, humongous shell. It is really important to know how to clean the crab properly and which parts you need to remove before you cook and eat the crab. Continue to watch and I'm going to share this with you. You will need 2 French crabs for this recipe. Now you can tell these are French crabs from the hairy legs and from the ginormous shell that it has. This is our first time trying this crab and we're super excited. The first thing you need to do is to break off all the claws from the crab. If you're like me and you like to lick the sauce from the crab, make sure you brush it really clean. The next thing you need to remove is the plate on the belly of the crab. Remember to brush all the shell really clean. The claws, the leg, the body, the shell, just all of it. The next thing you need to do is separate the shell from the body of the crab. Now this is really tricky because that shell is so big and heavy, you need a little bit of force to separate it. The next thing you need to do is remove the gills and the mouth pieces from the body of the crab. Brush and rinse the body clean. The most important thing you need to remove from the shell is the bladder bag, which is really close to the head of the crab. Gently rinse and clean the inside of the shell, but remember to save and keep all the innards in the shell. You will need to repeat the previous steps for the second crab. Wow, look at those orange eggs inside the body of this crab. It's going to be so delicious. Once you've brushed all the shell clean and removed the parts that you need to remove, you will need to chop the body into quarters. Chopping the body into quarters will make it easier to stir fry and to eat. I just wanted to show you a close-up of the hairy legs of this French bread crab, and look at the innards, so beautiful on this crab. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the wok on high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of julienned ginger to your wok. Add 1 tablespoon of diced garlic to your wok. Sauté the ginger and garlic for 10 seconds. Add the body and claws to the wok first. Remember to save the juice from the crab so we can add it later in the cooking process. Stir fry and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine. Now add the shells and mix all the ingredients together well. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Stir fry and mix everything well. Remember, we don't want to add too much seasoning as we want to taste the freshness and sweetness of the crab. Add the crab juice, cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Notice the color of the shell on the crab is bright orange. You know it's ready. Add the green onion and saute and mix well. Create a space in the middle of your wok and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch slurry to thicken up your sauce. To make the cornstarch slurry, you need to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 1 tablespoon of water. Place the shells on the plate first so that it can collect all that beautiful sauce on the inside of the shell. Turn the heat off and then make sure that you stir fry the crab to coat the shell with all that beautiful sauce. The final step is to plate the rest of the crab along with that beautiful sauce. I wish you can smell this. So delicious. I can't wait to taste this crab. What's great about this French bread crab is that it's packed with meat in the body, but also the shell has this beautiful, creamy, delicious innard. Excellent with a bowl of rice. My dad loves to visit supermarkets and looks for different types of seafood to cook. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.